All right, this is a broadcast of doing significant figures. What we want to first of all consider with significant figures, or as we also call SigFigs, is that when we look at a number of 5, we know 5 fingers, 5 toes. But when we look at 5.0, we have to realize that that's different. It's not exactly the same as regular 5. And on top of that, if I even see a 5.00, that's even different than the previous two. Now, you may look at them all and say, well, 5's 5. Aren't they all the same? Well, technically, they're different. And when it comes to significant figures, we need to realize that the number of digits that make up these numbers do influence how we use them and what ultimately they mean. Now, as it turns out, 5 fingers is 5 fingers. It's straight up 5. However, 5.0 is telling us this is read from an instrument, some kind of tool or piece of equipment that actually has precision to a decimal. And on top of that, 5.00 is even more precise in the fact that it actually has 2 digits beyond the decimal point. Now, as it turns out, 5 has 1 sig fig. When we look at 5.0, we know that this instrument was pretty good. It actually has 2 sig figs. And of course, as we kind of see the trend here, we can see that 5.00 has 3 sig figs. Now, that to me is a basis of what we need to talk about when it comes to sig figs. And from here on out, we'll always want to remind ourselves, how many digits does it have? And there are actually certain rules that go along with it. We're going to find a lot of this in Chapter 2 in our chem text. All right, that's it for now. Have a good one.